actually our braided wig. So now I'm tired of slaying with 100% human hair, donor, and every other thing. Now let's slay with braided wig, and that is on period. So how do you do it? I don't fair up my powder, put everything down there, gengelize. So now I'll begin to wear my braided wig. Come here. Shego, I never even feel some. My face don't change. Like, this look is going to be giving fire. Ha ha ha. I'm not going to be doing too much. One thing I love about braided wig, like, you know, go get many work to do. Just install and then carry go. Bad market. I'm going to be using my adhesive spray because I don't want to carry on for long. I just want it to be soft and easy. And that's on period. Don't go on, you understand me? It's available. Come and get yours. I'll begin the spray and for my edges. It's beginners friendly tutorial. Just they look me, okay? So you spray. I'll just blow. Make sure you are blowing with a cool heat. See, it has to be sticky. You see, it has to be sticky. And that's on period. I'm going to spray for the second time so that the thing will hold wella. I will blow again. Don't forget to register on my online class. Yes, you have to register so you can learn many things for yourself. So I'll bring it forward. So it came as a center part. So I'll just install. Yeah, I will press down. Okay. Press down. Mash it down. Like, see the look this thing is giving me already. I'm loving the look. So easy. You can see that. Just mash it. Use your ratchet comb just to make sure it is well secured. Can you see that? And use my wiper to just, you know, to make sure it's very clean. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm just going to, you know, do one to the front. Now, no, say this will not be original human hair. Yeah. So, like this. Some have to come to this area. Then no lace melting, nothing, just with my adhesive spray, and I'm good to go. Like, check out the look, check what it's giving. Do something like this. Yeah, anyhow you want it, or guinea. So say no to using bands to just hold your edges because you are lazy or you don't know how to install your hair. Save this video, okay? Continue to use this video. I wait my line my lips, and the lips have to be lip sync. That's on period. Very simple install. Not too much work. Like, everything is just fast, and then we are done, ready to slay. So this is it.